Well, my collar's blue, but my neck is red. I've been working like a dog just to keep my family fed. Living off energy drinks and Marlboro Reds. Swear this gas station food's gonna cause my death. Well, I voted Trump, I'm talking FJB. Yeah, I stand up for the folks like me. If I told you once, I won't tell you twice. I protect my family with my life. Yeah, I was born a rambling man. I guess I finally settled down. Found a pretty little lady that smiles at me. Well, I was her white knight, whip her